little doodle buddies. Are you ready to jump into a magical world of cuteness? Today, we're drawing a bunny. First, draw a circle. Alright, let's move on to the next step. First, let's draw 2 ears for the rabbit, long and cute. Now, we'll sketch the rabbit's body, nice and round. Next, let's draw both of its hands. Isn't it starting to take shape? Look at its beautiful tail. Let's add that fluffy little detail. Now, let's draw the rabbit's favorite food, a carrot. Don't forget the carrot leaves on top. To make it more beautiful, we can add some lines to the carrot for texture. Next, let's draw 2 baby eyes for the rabbit. Finally, add a little mouth to complete its cute face. Our rabbit is all done and looking adorable.